In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SMS chatbot with Manychat, and the best part, there's no coding required. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to kick things off by heading over to Manychat's website. Once there, log in using your Facebook account or email. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for integrating your chatbot with your setup. Now, since we're specifically focusing on the SMS functionality, the next step involves integrating your Manychat account with a phone number. This integration is essential because it's how you'll be able to send and receive SMS messages, the core of our chatbot project today. Once you're logged in and set up, it's time to familiarize yourself with the Manychat dashboard. Navigate to the settings section. It's pretty straightforward and offers all the options you'll need. Within settings, you'll want to find the channels section. Click on it, and from the list of options, go ahead and select SMS. Now here's an important choice. Manychat will prompt you to either purchase a number directly from them or alternatively connect your existing SMS provider. Don't worry, Manychat guides you through the process of either adding a new number or integrating an existing one. It's a guided and user-friendly process. With your phone number integrated, we move on to the exciting part, setting up your SMS automation. Start by locating the automation tab on the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on it and you'll see a button to create a new automation. Click that too. You're now ready to give your flow a name. Something like welcome SMS could work well. This is where you start designing your chatbot conversation. Thanks to the built-in flow builder, you can construct a conversation effortlessly using drag and drop elements. No coding is required here. Begin by adding messages. These are the initial text sent to users. You can also include buttons or quick replies to give users a selection of predefined options like yes, no, or learn more. To make the interaction more dynamic, add conditions based on users' responses. Here you can set up rules for follow-up messages depending on their answers. Using variables will let you store and reference inputs from users such as their name or other details. Feel free to customize your chatbot's flow by adding as many steps as you deem necessary. For instance, you could start with a welcome message, then ask for their name, following up with personalized responses. Finally, it's time to get the word out. Promote your SMS number or a keyword that users can text to begin interacting with your chatbot. Consider creating forms on your website or social media posts that invite people to text your number and engage with your brilliantly crafted SMS chatbot. And there you have it, a fully functional SMS chatbot with Manychat, all set to engage and interact without a single line of code written by you. Enjoy engaging with your audience in a new and innovative way.